Hi guys, it's Risa. How you doing? I hope you're doing really well. I want to say thank you so much for all your wonderful comments and subscribing and sharing and liking because, we have to do this together. This is a journey for life, right? Of course, right. So today I'm going to teach you how to make a really simple, delicious dessert. It's no bake. I know, I love that. And you keep it in your fridge for a few days. I'm having company over, so I wanted to think of something different. And I love strawberries. So I just got a pint of strawberries. And it makes about 2 cups if you cut them up into small little pieces. All right, wash them really well and cut them into little pieces. I'll show you. Just little tiny pieces like that. Unless you like it really chunky. I have to wipe my hands because now they're strawberry-ish. And then take a few extra and you're going to make them really cute slices for the top, okay? I know. So it's my strawberry shortcake-ish dessert, all right? A la Risa. Of course, I've Risa-fied it so that it's lower in points, lower in fat, low sugar. You're going to need 2 cups of any kind of brand of zero fat Greek yogurt, plain. I buy this at Costco because I like getting my money's worth. 3 of them for like $8.99. It's a bargain. And my husband didn't find the ultralight Cool Whip, but that's okay. You can use light Cool Whip. And I'm going to use about 9 tablespoons. We're going to see for the top. And then we'll put the strawberries on top. I know it's going to be super delicious. What you're going to add is 1 package of sugar-free JELLO. I'm using lemon. Lemon's one of my favorite. You can use the cheesecake. You can use a chocolate one if you want. You can use vanilla, whatever one you want, okay? There's no rules. We can, change it up if you want, right? I change everything up. I love doing that. I love taking recipes and just changing it up. I have these PIZELLE cookies, and that's what we're going to use, about 8 of them, and that's about 8 smart points. It's about 1 smart point per cookie. They're super crispy and delicious, so you can use them. You can, if you don't want to use them and just make it like this, you can do that too, but I like a little bit of a crunch, and we're going to layer it, so it's going to be super cute. And you can buy these at Costco, Walmart, Italian bakeries. I even have a PIZELLE maker because I love them so much. I got it as a Mother's Day gift from my mother, and my daughter and I love making them. They're super delicious. About a tablespoon of vanilla, and of course, I love some fresh lemon and lemon rind, about a tablespoon. We're going to use 2 cups of the Greek yogurt. We're going to start with that. And so just take a large bowl and we're just going to put it in. I'm just looking for my spatula because I had it here a second ago. And now, of course, I can't find it, so I'll just get another one. Okay. So we're just going to, really easy, just add it to a bowl. Already measured out. 1 and 2 cups. Easy so far, right? I like things that are easy, fast, convenient, that you don't have to buy any crazy fancy ingredients because then you don't make it. And you're going to take your JELLO pudding and just dump it in. Make sure you get all of it. And that's 4 smart points. Remember, all my recipes are written underneath each video. So you're just going to mix that in. I'm going to add a little bit of vanilla, about a teaspoon or so. I never really measure. Whatever vanilla you want. And of course, I'll squeeze in some lemon. I drop things. Okay, about a tablespoon. And then we'll get some rind. for that lemony taste. And if you don't want to add that, you don't have to. But don't get the seeds inside. That is yummy. And I just mix that up. That's it. Just make sure it's all incorporated. It's going to be a delicious dessert just for you to have. You can even put it into individual portion sizes if you want as well. And that would be super delicious, so that you portion control for yourself. For those of you that don't want to eat all of this, let's taste it. Really good. Now I'm going to take my strawberries and just put them in. Told you it's super easy. And just mix that in. You could just eat this like this. Put it in like those little waffle bowls, or just in a bowl with some Cool Whip on top. Would be super delicious. All right. Easy peasy. So what I've done is I've just taken a small Pyrex and I'm just putting 4 PIZELLE cookies down. That's it. And we're going to put this on top. Just want to make sure you can see it. There. Put it on top. Doesn't matter if it breaks a little bit. It's going to break anyways. I'm just going to put it in. Make sure you get all of it. Use your spatula and just spread it evenly. All right. I think it is pretty even. All right. I have to taste my fingers. And wipe them off. Okay. Super simple. We're just going to take our Cool Whip that I've already measured and just put it on top. Like that. If you want to drizzle some chocolate syrup, you can do that. You want to add a few chocolate chips, you can do that. Does that look nice? I was going to put in more PIZELLE cookies, but you know what? We don't need it. I forgot. So if you want to layer and put some PIZELLE cookies and then put the Cool Whip, you can do that. Oh my God. But it's great like this as well. And then just add, don't drop your strawberries. All right. Put your nice strawberries on top. And actually now the recipe is lower in points. Oh my goodness, it looks so pretty. In fact, you know what you could do? Is you could take, isn't that so cute? Look at that. All right. I was gonna say if you wanted, you could take some PIZELLE cookies and sprinkle them on top as well, right? And I have my SENSATO chocolate chips that I buy at the low carb grocery store. And you can just sprinkle a few of those on. I'll take a tablespoon. Where's my tablespoon? You get quite a bit in a tablespoon. Hold on. I just thought of that afterwards. You could even, like with your kids, you could put some cute sprinkles on. It's very versatile, these kind of recipes. All right, so you get quite a bit of chocolate chips. Just wanted to show you. And just to make it look even prettier, add some chocolate chips on top. You could put some syrup, as I mentioned, on top. I might even add a few more strawberries to make it fuller. And that's it. So for this recipe, it's 4 for the pizzelle, 4 for the pudding, and 5 for the Cool Whip. So 4, 8, 12, 13 points for all of this. Okay, so depends on how big a piece you want. It's about 3 or 4 smart points for a nice size. All right, and if you add more pizzelles, then you just divide that. All right, so as I mentioned, it's very versatile. I hope you love this recipe. It's super good. Keep it in your fridge. If you want, you could even put it in your freezer for a little bit, and keep it just for a few days though. All right, but it's probably gonna go very quickly because it's super delicious. So don't forget to continue to subscribe. Come visit me on my Facebook group, Weight Watchers Tips and Recipes by Risa. And that's it. Love you guys. Bye for now.